Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing my hair routine. I'm going to be washing, silk pressing, and putting some curls in for the rest of the week. I'm going to be sharing with you all of my products. So if you guys want to see today's hair washing routine, stay tuned. So this is what a 2-month-old braid down looks like. I took my extensions out and I am taking my braids out underneath it. When I do this, I like to apply a little bit of scalp oil because it makes it easier to unravel my hair and retain the length, and it also helps to moisturize my hair as well. I'm also going to be detangling my hair with my fingers, adding a little bit more of the hair oil, and this is just to make sure that I can remove that excess hair before I get in the shower, and I do this in 4 sections. So this is what we are left with, and now it is time to shower. So I like to thoroughly saturate my hair before I apply shampoo so I don't waste products, and this is what my hair looks like, thoroughly saturated. This is the shampoo I'm going to be using for today. I am going to leave all of the products that I'm using in the video description so you guys can check those out and research them all for yourself. But I happen to thoroughly like this shampoo, and I'm also going to be shampooing my hair 2 times. This is the conditioner I'm using today. I like to apply my conditioner starting on the ends, and of course I am detangling as I go, and I like to do this on the days that I am doing my feminine hygiene routine so that I can keep the conditioner on for about 10 to 15 minutes inside of the shower. If you guys are interested in my hygiene routine, I will link that also in the video description as well. So as you can see, shrinkage is real. I like to keep a towel on my head so I can get about 50% of the water out. And I'm going to be starting with my first product, which is a leave-in conditioning mist. And this is by DP Hue. I'm going to be using this to detangle my hair, and I'm doing this in small sections because this is actually the first time that I applied a comb to my hair. I start on the ends, comb all that excess hair out to detangle, and then we're going to move on to the blow dry process. Now when I blow dry my hair, I like to do it in small sections. One of the tips I want to give you guys is I like to stretch my hair before I apply any of my detachments, my combs, paddle brushes, anything. This makes it so much easier and you get a smoother blow dry as well. Make sure that you are going in the same direction as your cuticle, meaning that the blow dryer should be facing downward, and then I attach my comb and then we blow dry. I'm going to be blow drying my hair to about 80% because there is another blow dry cream that I want to use, and I'm going to do this in small sections. Now you can see the shrinkage is definitely real, but we're going to complete that blow dry process on both sides, and then I'm going to apply my second product. I'm going to be using the DP Hue blow dry cream, and again at this point my hair is about 80% dry, but I like to use this, and I put my blow dryer on medium heat, and I'm also going to show you a tip to help get that really good smooth blowout. So make sure that you concentrate your blowout cream on the mid shaft and the ends of the hair. Again, my blow dryer is on medium heat, but I want to show you guys something. That is the cool shoot. This is what helps to seal in your blow dry. It helps to eliminate frizz. And this is a good way to get your hair to not revert back to its natural texture. As you can see, my hair is a lot more seamless. It's not as frizzy, and I have a good blowout. The next product I'm going to be using is the DP Hue Thermal Protectant, because now I'm going to go in with my flat iron. I showed you guys this flat iron in my previous video. I will have that in the info cards on the screen or in the video description. But one of the reasons why I like this flat iron so much is because I don't have to silk press my hair and use the comb at the same time. The way that this flat iron is designed, I'm able to create that tension. Again, I showed you guys in the previous video. This flat iron creates enough tension that it will give you a really silky press. So I don't have to use the comb to make sure that my hair is straightened or detangled. I'm able to use just the flat iron. So it makes this process a lot easier when I am silk pressing my hair, and this is the results. I'm just going to complete this on the other side. It's been a while since I had my hair straight, and I really want to do a length check, and then next time I wash my hair I'll probably trim it, but the ends were not too bad this time. These are the results. I thought I was doing something by showing you the back. Clearly I didn't do a good job, but you guys get the point. Next I'm going to go back in with my time styling tool, and I'm just going to curl my hair and set it. Now I actually used the clips from my hot curlers, but then I decided I might as well just go ahead and use the hot curlers. It's been a while, and I know that I'm not going to be applying any heat to my hair for a very long time, so this allows me to be able to have tighter curls, and while the rollers are in my hair, it would allow the curls to set in place. So that means that my curls will be tighter and they won't go anywhere. So I'm going to continue to curl my hair and apply my hot rollers. While I have my hot rollers in my hair, that will be the time where I'm either getting dressed, I'm doing my makeup. It just makes this process so much easier because, again, your curls are setting in place. A tip to get volume is making sure that you curl your hair away from the face going back. It's going to create a lot of volume at the top. Also, depending on how you section your hair, that will determine the end result. But I just knew that I wanted these curls to last for a very long time, and those are the results that I got. So I'm going to fast forward. I did my hair and my makeup, and I did get dressed, and I'm just going to be removing my hot rollers. As you can see, the hot rollers allow the curls to set so much tighter than the curls that I created with the actual styling tool. So that's why I like to do it this way. I'm applying a little bit of serum to my hands, literally just enough to moisturize my hands, and then I comb everything through. And that, you guys, is the look. I absolutely love how this came out. I love volume, and I love my hair to just be messy and full. Again, you can always tame it if you wrap it, but I love to have some curl and some body in my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing more hair tutorials and tips on healthy hair. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.